Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to another video. The stations of Bitola. Now I'm on the bridge. This bridge is connected the both side. Behind me, this is one of the very good place. This is the modern green city. But my camera is not good for this reason. I cannot shoot the real pictures. Okay, but I am showing obviously the real picture in front of me. So by the way, what can I say about this place? This place is under like 100 meters above I am in right now. In front of me, this is the highway. The highway is very different and very glorious system. But when someone, especially if you come to evening time, if you come to the night time, you will get the fresh air. Also, this time air is very beautiful and fresh. But it's a little bit hot weather. But overall, it's fantastic. Okay, and it's a long time. It's a break time. The employee is still working here. They're repairing the system. They're repairing the pedestrian, the stairs, the grill, and something other like that to repair this bridge. But you're also hearing the sounds of different kind of cars because in front of me this is the highway. The highway is in the middle of point of Munshiganj district. But in front of beside this highway there is a very good restaurant, park also. This is called this modern green city. I also mentioned at the beginning of this video. But what can I say more? This must be the village. This must be the beautiful things. You can understand that when this implication or project was started, hundreds of thousands of people got jobs here. Like Bangladesh is one of the countries where a lot of millions of people are unemployment after completing their graduations. But this type of big project helps us to reduce our unemployment. Like when this project was started, thousands of people have got chance to work in different projects, different sites. It's still they're working. Even I talked some person who said we have been working here for the last 1 year and they are government employee, and there was some resident there. I also showed you, and they live in that residency. And I don't know how much you are hearing me today. I didn't use the microphone. I forgot to use and take this, but as much as I thought or as much as I think you can hear me properly my video. Sometimes it becomes dark due to the sunlight. By the way, this was about the video about this, and just try to show you this side and when I was staying here on the bridge and how much I am feeling. I'm now a little bit nervous still because when I see the surrounding, when I see the outside, it looks very high. Like when if I fall from here, I must die. Maybe I must die here. But I don't want to do this in incident. I never want to happen this. So by the way, this video was about this, but I'm going to take another video about this whole bridge. And at that time, we practicing keep going at your fluency. Until you should never stop learning. Genuinely stop and never stop to learn. So goodbye for now, and come back to the next video at the same time. Assalamualaikum.